Welcome to our channel Handy Worksheets. In this video, we are going to learn the poem Up and Down and also do the exercise. Now see the picture. What are the children doing in the picture? The boy is climbing up the stairs and the girl is jumping on the stairs. The boy is fall down at the bottom. Now let's listen the poem Up and Down. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop, all the way up to the top top top. Down again, skip skip skip. Watch out, go slow or you will slip slip slip. The children are climbing up to the top. Then they are climbed down by skipping the steps. When we go fast, we will slip down. So we should be careful while climbing up the stairs. We have to go slow and steady. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop, all the way up to the top top top. Down again, jump jump jump. Don't fall to the bottom, bump bump bump. Again children are climbing down the stairs and said don't fall to the bottom because they are jumping on the steps. They might be fall down as we already seen the boy in the picture. Okay, now let's read the poem again. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop, all the way up to the top top top. Down again, skip skip skip. Watch out, go slow or you will slip slip slip. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop, all the way up to the top top top. Down again, jump jump jump. Don't fall to the bottom, bump bump bump. Okay, now let's do the exercise. Understanding the poem, talk about the following. Who do you think is speaking in the poem? In my point of view, the child is speaking to some other children. Who is climbing the steps? The children are climbing the steps. How are the steps climbed? You can write here the steps are climbed by hopping, jumping, or skipping. How do the children come down the steps? Same, the children come down the steps by jumping and skipping. What should the children be careful about? The children should go slow or they might slip because you have seen the boy fell down at the bottom of the stairs. So the children should be careful about that. Working with words. Look at the picture, use words from the poem to fill in the blanks given below. Look at the picture first. What are the children are doing? Here two children are hopping and here the girl is skipping and here the horse is jumping and here is the mouse and the cat. The cat is climbing up and the mouse is climbing down. Let's see. The children on the left are dash in the playground. Here are the children. The children on the left are hopping in the playground. The horse is jumping over the gate. The cat is climbing dash the stairs. What is the cat doing? The cat is climbing up the stairs. The mouse is running down the stairs. The girl on the right is skipping. Okay, let's see the answers in slides. Hope this video is helpful to you to learn the poem Up and Down and also do exercise. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get further updates. Thank you.